Bryan Lincoln Real Estate. We're out here on Mansion Monday. This is what 2.9 million gets you in Elk Grove. You got a pool, a huge backyard with more acreage out the back, diving board, waterfall, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. Yeah, so coming outside from the pool area, there's also a bathroom here. We've got multiple bedrooms on this side, 3 bedrooms on this side. An amazing kitchen with an island, modern appliances. And look at the view of the pool with waterfalls. It's just great. Come on, little man. Perfect family house. Yes, so this is a beautiful house in Elk Grove that can be yours for 2.9 million. One of the most beautiful houses that you will have seen. This is what dreams are made of. You know, it's just the bee's knees. Nothing but peace and quiet and serenity, and your neighbors are nowhere to be seen.